Hi, this is the assembly for this fabric sofa. Um, well, the first thing you need to do is sort out the arms. So on this inner side of the arm there should be some holes which you need to fill with your fingertip. So one is here, the other one is there, and two on this side there. So because the hole is covered with the fabric, all you need to do is get a cutter. You identify the hole here with your fingertip. You make a little cut so you can see the so you can see through. You don't want to be second.
Look at this. Abi, come here. This is not this business.
So
These things are, these things here. They need to be gone.
So there's one hole here and the other hole on this side. Now it sounds a bit awkward, but that's how they come from Turkey, without any instruction, and they're properly packed. So this is all DIY stuff. Once you fix it, it's gonna look really nice. It's gonna be worth it. So I'm just trying to see the hole there. Now you need to use these long metal rods. It's like a screw. You put it there and just spin it a bit, make it a little bit, just tight a little bit.